Yan yung tawagan namin sa Singapore, Butch and Sads. Butchog tsaka Sads. Sadong. Butch, alagaan mo si Sads kasi alam mo naman ang ugali niya. Sads talaga yan. Baguhin mo na lang pag nagkaanak kayo kasi baka pag nagka-baby kayo, Sads pa rin yan. Bahala ka. Hindi, kahit Sads yan, best ate namin yan. Uwe.
Alfie at Rachel, darating ang panahon, may mga bagay-bagay na matutuklasan ng bawat isa sa inyo. Ito na yung pinakaayaw ko kay Rachel. Sasabihin mo, ako na lang parati. Ako na lang ang naguhugas. Ako na lang ang maglalaba ng mga lamping. Di ba? Darating ang panahon, magiging ikaw ay newcomer sa mga samahan ng mga tigasin. Di ba? Pero, sana ay huwag kang magreklamo. Dahil lahat ng mga matutuklasan mo na ayaw mo kay Rachel, ay dapat mong mahalin. Dapat isama mo sa mga pinakamahalaga sa lahat.
Si Tito Alfie, matagal ko nang nakasama sa Baguio. Lahat ng kalokohan namin, yun.
Kalungan mo lang.
Wish ko sa inyo, so sana maging strong kayo. Strong ha. Pagpatuloy nyo lahat ng mga magagandang gawain, pagtulong sa pamilya, pagtulong sa akin, lalo na yung sapatos ko, wala pa. Pero yun ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Thank you sa lahat. And then, best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Cheers!
I don't wanna miss this moment. I don't wanna let this go. I don't wanna waste 1 minute more. When you need to know I'm falling.
Alfie at Rachel, walang kasing halaga ang araw na ito sa inyong dalawa. Dahil ito yung araw na pinakamahalaga sa buhay ng lalaki at babae.
There it is, I said it, and every word is true. I'm scared but I don't regret it, no. All I want is you. What am I supposed to do? I'm falling. I'm falling fast. I can't stop myself. There's no one else. I'm falling. I'm falling. I don't wanna be the first to say it. I don't wanna be the last to know.
Alfie, do you accept this woman to live together? after God's ordinance in the holy state of matrimony? Do you love her, comfort her, honor, and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep only her, so long as you both shall live? I will.
I can't stop myself. There's no one else. I'm falling. I'm falling.
Michelle, do you accept this man to live together after God's ordinance in the holy state of matrimony? Do you love her, or him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep only him, so long as you both shall live?
I will.
Just let go.
Hindi sa video to Hindi lagi ito nakasabi ko si Jojo.
Just let go.
Within 42 years, 12 ang anak namin. Yes. But then I never had in mind na mahirap magdala niyan. Bakit? In-enjoy mo eh. Di pangatawanan mo. Alpi, Richel, let me be one of the models to you. Hopefully, I deserve to be a ninong. Ups and downs yan. Huwag mong sabihin, puro ganito na maligaya lahat na araw. It's just like sports. It's a teamwork. It's an agreement. Tanungin ninyo, ganun ba ginawa nyo, Ninong? Yes. Bakit? Tinanong ko misis ko nung bagong kasal kami, ilan magiging anak natin? Ang tanong niya sa akin, ilan ang kaya mo? Eh sabi ko, 12. Eh sabi niya, di 12. So I believe, planning yun. Richel and Alfie, enjoy the married life. We wish you the best of luck in behalf of your ninongs and nina. God bless both of you. Then, huwag niyo akong gayahin 12, bahala kayo dyan. Maski 18 kung kaya niyo.
I won't run, I won't fly, I will never make it by without you. Without you, I can't rest, I can't fight. All I need is you and I. Without you,
Richel and Alfie, please take care of with one another. And with the children that you will have, raise them properly, who will become God-fearing children. Always cling to God.
can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you.
In the name of the Republic of the Philippines, and in the name of the Church, Iglesia Filipina Independiente, and most of all, in the name of our Almighty God, the Creator of all, I now pronounce you as husband and wife. In the name of the Father, Son, and Spirit.
I won't
Allah. What therefore God has joined together, let not man put asunder.
Without you, I can't look. I'm so blind. I lost my heart. I lost my mind without you.
Take good care ng bawat isa sa inyo. Alam ko malayo kayo. Sinabi ko hindi ako iiyak. Alright, so pahalagahan ang bawat isa. Una, nandun, always pray. Trust God always. Yun ang palagi kong sinasabi. Be honest with each other. Then, palaging ang pagpapahalaga sa bawat isa, ano man ang pagkakamali. Kasi meron at meron din sa bawat mag-asawa yan. Kaya kailangan lang ng kailangan you have trust each and everyone.
Hush, now let's go quiet to the park where it first started. Cold night, us lying in the dark. I felt my heart was trying to find a place for you to stay, a place where I'd feel safe. Anything we have known, anything we've forgotten, in the rain, in the dark we'll lay, in your arms I'll stay. Anything we have known, anything we've forgotten, in the rain, in the dark we'll lay, in your arms I'll stay.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil naging successful tong kasal. Dahil sa mga tulong ng mga friends namin dyan. Thank you. And then, pangalawa, sa mga parents namin. And then, most of all, mga taga-Singapore, salamat sa pagpunta. We appreciate it. Hindi mga taga-Norte, actually, nasabi lahat na kanina. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat dahil sa pagtanggap nila mamang papang sa akin, mga kapatid niya. Salamat na marami. Tsaka yung family ko, salamat sa pagpunta. Carmina, Martin, Sam, kapatid, and then friends, salamat sa pagpunta. Kahit gaano kalayo, kahit 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours ang biyahe from Batangas, nagpunta pa rin kayo. Salamat ng marami. Salamat po, Chef Nick. And then, kay sila Ma'am Yen, sila Boyet, lahat. Thank you so much. Saludo ako sa inyo.
Anything we have known, anything we forgotten, in the rain, in the dark we'll lay, in your arms I'll stay. Anything we have known, anything we've forgotten, in the rain, in the dark we'll lay, in your arms I'll stay. In your arms I'll stay. In your arms I'll stay. In your arms I'll stay.
Kahit na konti na lang yung time na pag-meet natin dahil nasa malayo kami, natupad pa rin yung wish namin na butterfly.
It's going to the truth
Kasi alam niyo naman na napaka-importante sa amin
behind the
na makasama sa una namin yung aming kapatid. Pero dahil sa hindi na mangyayari yun, ginawa niyo pa rin ng paraan para makompleto kami. Sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng lahat ng butterfly accent. Sa lahat, Maraming salamat po.
Ikaw